So we have a failure swing or a failure breaker from this low to this high, and I'm anticipating for it to be filled as soon as possible. The moment we opened up on Monday midnight, right? At Monday at midnight, I want this to be filled from wherever it is. It's from where it opened, from where it opened all the way down to these lows. But because we didn't do that, and I can show you why in a second, um, the price didn't tip down into sell side liquidity here, so it's going to be going up higher. So I anticipate that at least from Monday till Wednesday at 8:30 a.m., price is going to be going up bullish, right? Well, you just have to be a little careful because here we have failure swing, so we can just trigger up to these highs, make it a total soup, and continue selling. What has been balanced and what has not been balanced. See that it's going up higher. So at this time, I want to see these buy side liquidity pool taken from what is this, Thursday. So I feel like this is where we're going. I would say it's like this one right here, this block, this buy side delivery, and we'll see if it'll react from it from there. Notice how the retracement is coming back down to shake off the weak longs. I still do think we're gonna get up there. So that big reaction we had from pre-market Asia, remember the lows, lower lows that we were doing earlier? So the fibs would have to be anchored pretty wide from then. So that's why I'm assuming that we're gonna get up there. Take a look at its friend. Okay, we have a low, lower low, and a low, higher low. So this is good. I like seeing this. This is a good slingshot effect, the fact that we closed above the quarter, right? Now we just want to see a price dip down here to it go up to higher prices, up to Asian buy side liquidity. What could make, what will be the certain adversaries? What will be the speed bumps or the blockages in the road that will make me want to reconsider this idea? Price could start to reconsider. I'm talking time distortion, where price just gets consolidated for an extended period of time and it's just going up and down and just consolidating. With that, it can also be like creating new buy side liquidity pools and sell side liquidity pools, engineering it so that it can continue going at a different direction than what was originally intended. A gap. So if we're going to be taking this long here up to here, this will be our implied dealing range. So everything from this equilibrium lower, getting on a buy. Okay, buy would be fair value gap here, volume imbalance. This big fair value gap here. Now we have an inverse breaker. See that? But that could also act as support for price to go up higher. We're gonna see if price wants to respect that balanced price range that I was showing you guys earlier, and see if it wants to take it to go higher, or if it doesn't, it'll probably go down here, take this as total soup, and then go up higher. Because this is more balanced, I do favor entering on the equilibrium side of things right here. So we had that dip down right now from it. It's balanced. And then we'll just see if that will be what's going to be taking us up higher to reach Asian buy side liquidity. But which is stronger right now? NQ. NQ is stronger because of that relative strength. If we're only going to refer to up to these pre-market sell side lows, this would be a nice sell side liquidity pool that you could have entered on turtle soup. It would have definitely, turtle soups are hardest to trade with because you're kind of aiming for that low low. But if you have yourself a nice stop loss and you enter in a buy stop entry, look at this. That would have been a nice return on your investment, no? Breaker. Treat this as a premium array. I do think we're going to trade above it and treat it as support to go up higher. And then we have 10, 10, 30. Y'all go. Again, high resistance liquidity run conditions. OTE entry below equilibrium. The 69 level was down here. Would have been a nice reaccumulation buy. I would like to see these lows be protected because of that balanced price range, and overall this low for it being turtle soup. So I do think that we're going to end up going to Asian buy side liquidity, but we'll take a mark. I'll see if later on in the day it triggers my stop loss, my hypothetical stop loss down here. If it did, then oh well, I'm going to let go. Not, then this is where it's trying to go, but it's just struggling. So I'm gonna have to pause the stream here, guys, because it's getting late for me, and I gotta do my thing. So I hope you enjoyed the stream, and I'll catch you in the next one.